Hello and welcome to Digit. In this video, we will be unboxing the Bajaj Blow Hot room heater. On the front of the box, we have an image of the heater itself. On top, we have some Bajaj branding. On the bottom, we have the model name of the product. To the right hand side, we have some warranty information, but we recommend that you consult the Amazon product page for all the relevant information regarding the warranty first. On the left hand side of the box, we have some of the features of this product. So the performance features include two heat settings at 1000 watts and 2000 watts, a special heating element. The convenience features include a personal fan for summer use and a compact and easy mobility inspired design. The safety features include an auto thermal cutout. Underneath that, we have the same features but in Hindi. Right at the bottom, we have another image of the heater, but this time facing the front. On the right hand side of the box, we have a sticker that has the manufacturing information, and below that, on the bottom of the sticker, we have some information regarding the customer care. On top, we simply have some more Bajaj branding along with another image of the heater. There is nothing on the bottom, and on the back of the box is pretty much the same as the front, but everything is written in Hindi. That's about it in terms of what is on the outside of the packaging, so let's get into it now. On the inside, we have some reading material. First up is the warranty card, and this should help you register for the warranty. Next up is the user manual. It's in English and Hindi, and this should help you understand the various functions of the heater and help you use it. We recommend that you read through the user manual thoroughly before you start using the heater. Coming to the heater itself, we can see that it has a beige, almost ivory like color theme for going for it, and there is a vent on top which says do not cover. This is basically to protect the heater from overheating. On the front, we have a silver metal grill, and we can see the internal components of the heater through this. We also have the switches on the right. It's currently in the off state. You can simply choose to have the fan running if it's in the summer or hotter months. Turning this on should just result in normal room temperature air being blown out thanks to the fans. If you want the heater function, you can use these two switches, which will either blow out warm air or hot air, depending on how cold the outside environment is. On the side, on each side, we have these two handles for easy carrying and portability. On the back, we have a sticker with the Bajaj logo on it, and it also has a couple of specifications. For example, it shows you the power rating, which is 2000 watts, 250 volts at 50 hertz, which is the standard for Indian homes. Underneath that, we have the serial number. On the underside of the heater, it's obviously completely black, and we have four legs as well. The front legs are adjustable, and when we use this option, the heater will be slightly tilting upwards. So it will blow air in an upward direction. Coming to the cable, we know that it is approximately 60 inches long. It is quite a thick cable, so it should be very comfortable with the high electric currents flowing through it. In terms of the plug, it is a standard 16 amp Indian plug, a 3-pin Indian plug, that is. So this has been the unboxing of the Bajaj Blow Hot room heater. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.